Greetings to all of you. It's very nice to be here in this packed room and see all of your faces once again. Before I go any further, I want to acknowledge that Justice John Wilcox is here, and maybe a little round of applause for Justice Wilcox. Oh, well, yes. Chief in waiting, I think he used to call himself. And Justice Bradley, she's in the back there, Rebecca Bradley. It's nice to see both of you. Welcome to the State Bar's 2022 Member Recognition Celebration. I'm really happy to be here and happy to be here in person with each of you this year. We were just remarking, it goes a lot faster when you do everything by Zoom. So who knows? But we'll get you out of here, and it's going to be a nice night. The celebration's held each year to recognize members of the bar and other legal professionals for their outstanding service that they've done during the past year. In the case of one judge, it happens to be over the course of his entire legal career, basically. There are 17 award recipients being formally recognized today. They've all made an impact and made the legal system better, working one side of the bench or another, or just through service to others. They've worked as mentors, as volunteers, offering pro bono services to people in need of legal assistance. In short, really, they've just plain made a difference. They've made a difference in the courtroom, in the legal profession, and in their communities. I'm not necessarily here to name names. That's his job with the actual award presentations, but I do want to say a few quick words about a couple of people, in particular, Judge Chris Foley. This award recognizes jurists who, during the tenure on their bench, were fair and impartial, demonstrated high ideals and personal character, along with outstanding long-term judicial service. Judge Foley certainly has that. I think he took the bench in 1985. I won't say that I just graduated high school or anything like that, but because I didn't quite. It was a couple of years before that, but not many. You've been putting in your time for a long time, Judge Foley, and you've done a great job. You make us all look good, if you want to know the truth. And it's your effort to put children in homes and do your good work. You've hit the front page of a number of newspapers. You've even been on national TV news. You've been a tireless advocate for children, not only those who come to your courtroom, but more broadly for the community as a whole, the court system as a whole. And we really appreciate your efforts, Judge Foley. So thank you very much for your good work. I also, it's like Judge Fest. I can't leave out a couple of judges here. Judge Jim Babler, highly regarded by your colleagues, of course. You are recognized as an innovator, a mentor. You are always giving of your time. You are always sharing your skills and your knowledge on a number of topics with judges from around the state. And we appreciate you very much. So thank you for that good work. Another pair of award winners is being recognized for their timely and informative article, which demonstrates why lawyers from all practices are and should be attuned to ways that vulnerable individuals are denied decision-making authority and how that impacts them. Look out for it. Wisconsin Association of African American Lawyers is being honored with the Wisconsin Law Foundation's Gordon Sidenkin Award of Excellence. That's in recognition of their range of vital activities they do, including legal clinics, support for youth initiatives, support through mentoring, through literacy, holiday gift drives, so much that helps low-income families and impacts our communities in such a positive way. So thank you for that good work. Attorney Marisol Gonzalez Castillo, being recognized with the Diversity and Inclusion Trailblazer Award. Congratulations for that effort. Now, I won't spoil everything.
I was going to say, my job is done.
A couple of other award winners have dedicated their time and talent in managing large-scale efforts in the pro bono arena, providing services to people who need them most, whether that's students or domestic abuse victims or people facing eviction. This year's Public Interest Awards recognize lawyers who make a difference and provide legal service and support for immigrants, for elderly people, people who are being released from incarceration. And we're also here to recognize members of the Young Lawyers Division and a key executive from the State Bar and support staff. They've all made a difference as well. You know, Wisconsin's a better place because of the people in this room and the things they've done to improve the legal community and the legal standing of people who need it most in the state. And it's the effort of you and the judges in the state. You're really, in my world, the heroes to the people who need you most. And the way you serve is being honored tonight. So thank you very much for making a difference. Thank you for all of the good work you do. And we really appreciate you. Congratulations, and on to better things.